Hello, I'm Michael Orkin. It's my pleasure to welcome you to the Forward Together series that highlights our showcase HPE Complete Partner Solutions. In this Meet the Executive video, we're highlighting Hewlett-Packard Enterprise's partnership with Scality, a leading innovator in the object storage market. HPE and Scality are announcing a portfolio of solutions that will reshape the way organizations develop cloud-native apps. We have with us today Chris Powers, VP and GM, Collaborative Platforms and Big Data from HPE, and Jerome Lecat, CEO of Scality, to talk about the big announcement and how it marks HPE and Scality as thought leaders in the industry. Take it away, Chris.
Thanks, Michael. It's an exciting time as digital transformation explodes in the marketplace and as we pivot our approach to data. Organizations have begun to utilize cloud-native tools to develop and deploy a new generation of applications that give them the speed and agility their businesses need. These new applications allow them to mine their data for insight and business value. HPE and Scality have long been partners in the object storage space. And as you will hear, object storage is key for these new applications. And now I'm happy to turn this over to Jerome, who I know shares in my excitement at being able to announce this new portfolio. Jerome?
Thanks, Chris. I'm super excited. Thank you for inviting me here. Together with HPE, we're laser focused on solving the greatest data challenges for our customers across the globe. We are building sustainable storage infrastructures that adapt as rapidly as technology changes. Chris, as you mentioned, we see the emergence of new workloads in AI, machine learning, big data analytics, in-memory databases, and also new applications at the edge. These applications need faster access to massive amount of data. Data that is created everywhere, in the cloud, at the edge, and on-prem. We are now in an app-centric world. A fresh approach to data delivery is essential, one that is application-centric rather than location or technology-centric. Customers are going cloud-native, and this represents a fundamental inflection point in the way infrastructure is managed, specifically for the underlying data. Cloud-native demands adaptability, portability, and efficiency, attributes that traditional storage solutions struggle to match.
That indeed is a struggle, which prompted us to expand our partnership with Scality to address the spectrum of cloud-native application development challenges, from pilot projects to enterprise production environments. For years, object storage has been a solution best suited for secondary workloads, for instance, backup or archival use cases. However, the object storage of old is no longer sufficient to support this new generation of data-intensive apps. A new approach is needed. Organizations shouldn't have to really care about the underlying infrastructure anymore. It should be easily deployed and provisioned automatically. Data needs to be portable across multiple clouds, accessed quickly, and processed wherever it lives, whether in the cloud, in a data center, or at the edge. As you mentioned, Jerome, it should be managed in an application-centric way, not solely based on location. This is how HPE and Scality will partner to enable data-intensive, cloud-native applications to get fast access to object storage that is built on NVMe. The modern object storage is here.
Indeed, Chris. Modern object storage is optimal for cloud-native, whether in the data center or at the edge. When used as persistent data store for today's modern applications, object storage offers the right balance of speed, scale, and portability that applications need. So, this brings us to our announcement. Today, we are announcing our next generation of object storage with Scality Artesca. Artesca redefines object storage for the new cloud-native era. Artesca is an intuitive, lightweight, modern, and cloud-native object store. Artesca provides both small footprint at the edge and scale for the data center. Artesca is unique, with built-in multi-cloud data management from a single global console. And of course, Given Scality's experience supporting mission-critical workloads, Artesca includes the data availability and durability enterprises expect. Artesca is built on our 10+ years of experience supporting the world's largest organization and understanding their need to meet the demands of the 21st century. Scality is proud to partner with HPE to make this leap forward possible for our joint customers, and we're confident that this is just a new beginning for a truly transformative collaboration.
Yes, Jerome, it is truly a transformative collaboration. What we're announcing together today enables a major step forward for our customers. Simply put, the new HPE solutions for Scality Artesca portfolio, co-designed by HPE and Scality, provides customers a new application-first, developer-first, and cloud-first object storage platform from which to successfully deploy the emerging breed of cloud-native analytics and in-memory applications. Customers will now have seamless portability of their data thanks to federated data management across their S3-compatible object store landscape, from edge to cloud, and the ability to deploy the same enterprise-grade, intuitive-to-manage object store from their core data centers out to edge systems. They can do so on the very latest infrastructure for the optimal mix of performance, capacity, and economics. What's more, customers can get as-a-service cloud economics and a managed services experience on premises through HPE GreenLake. And now, I'm going to turn it over to Michael.
Thank you, Chris. So that's just a taste of what we'll be rolling out in the days and weeks to come. In our first episode of Forward Together with Scality, we'll dive into the capabilities of the portfolio and show you just how powerful, flexible, and economical your cloud-native object storage solutions can be. Until then, I'm Michael Orkin. Thanks for watching.